Welcome to Elise's Delights. Today I'm going to be doing a review on the BlendJet Portable Blender. So, in the package, it came with this organic chocolate protein powder packet, but my family likes to use these Arbonne pea protein shake powder. And this is the limited edition, so you better hurry and get it. You better hurry and get it. So it's the mint chocolate chip flavor. So if you want to have ice cream flavored shakes, you better go to Arbonne and get it. So anyway, let's get back to the BlendJet blender. So I have been wanting this for an eternity, and I finally got it. It came today, so I really want to do a review for you guys.
It's only been a week.
So anyway, I'm opening up my box. In the box, it comes with this paper to show you how to use your blender and use the button on it, because there's a lot of modes. There's a blend mode, a pulse mode, and a lock mode. So you don't, when you drink it, it doesn't splash in your face. So, yep. So this is the BlendJet blender. It's the number 2. If you get a BlendJet, get number 2, because I watched a lot of reviews and number 1 didn't really work as well as number 2. So this is the improvement blender. I got hot pink, but there's 16 colors total. There's red, blues, purples, any color out of the rainbow. So this is just showing you how to wash it. This thing washes itself. I'll show you guys how to do that later. But this is the BlendJet blender, so let's get started. Now I'm going to show you how to clean your BlendJet blender. So if you have a BlendJet, this is how you clean it. So you have your BlendJet blender. You put water in it to about like halfway, like that. By the way, this holds 16 ounces, and there is like measurements. So if you like have a protein shake and you want to know how like fill to put it, there's measurements. There's only measurements on the BlendJet 2. So that's why I got number 2. So you're gonna get soap, and you could put dish soap, hand soap, whatever soap you have. Then you're gonna cap it. Make sure you have it tight, because on the reviews I was watching, people didn't have it tight and they complained that it was leaking because they didn't shut it all the way. So now I'm gonna press the button. Make sure it's all the way tight. I'm gonna press the button, and it's blending. It's cleaning itself. Don't wait a couple seconds. Now I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna dump it out. Put water in it to wash out the soap, because you don't want soap in your drinks, do you? If you want, you could fill it up with water, cap it, and then blend it again. That's with just water. Makes a tornado, isn't that cool? blend jet is clean. Now my blend jet is clean, I'm going to show you how to make shakes. Now I am ready to test it out to see if it actually works. You guys already saw the cleaning. Now it's to see if it really crushes ice. I am back to see if this blender actually works with blend up ice. So don't put too much ice or else it'll get blocked, which just happened. So, ready? You're gonna have to flip it over. There we go. So crushed up ice works. You just have to flip it over a couple times if you have big chunks of ice. But it will work better if there's actually liquid in it. So yes. So I'm gonna go wash this out and we're gonna try with just a protein shake. Like I said before, it comes with this organic protein shake powder, but I'm gonna save it and use my Arbonne shake powder, which I usually drink before I go to bed. I'm not going to bed right now, it's too early. But I'm gonna show you how to do that with the Arbonne shake. That's my mom, basically, she basically works for that company. So we get tons of flavors. So I'm gonna show you all the Arbonne flavors just so you could go out and buy them. But yes, let's get to that. Okay, so these are the fun flavors. The other flavors are just like chocolate, vanilla, strawberry. But these are the flavors that are unlimited. So we have coffee, and we have peppermint chocolate chip, mint chocolate chip ice cream. See, the ice cream. So I'm gonna use this one because this is now my favorite flavor, but it's limited edition. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you how to make a protein shake, Arbonne shake, because there's the measurements, and this is what this is for, okay? So I'm gonna make a half shake, actually no, full shake. So I'm gonna fill up my water to the top with all the way to number 12, right there. Okay, so I'm gonna fill this up with water all the way to number 12. I have filled up all the way to number 12. So now I'm going to show you how to do it. So here's my blender, as you can see. So this is how you do it. So you fill up your thing to 12 ounces, and you get your protein shake powder, whatever flavor you want to use. I'm using mint chocolate chip. You can see it reflecting in the water bottle. It's kind of cool. So you're gonna open up your bag of Arbonne shake or whatever your shake you have. This is Arbonne shake, so you have to follow the recipe. So there's this like, I don't know if you can see, but there's this like cup in here that comes with the bag. If you get Arbonne shakes, you fill it up and you just shake it. You don't want to pack it in. So you just go like this. And I'm just gonna go 1. I'm gonna go 2. You know, if you want, you can push down the protein powder because the lid might not fit. If you want to do that, so I'm going to close this bag up, and I'm going to put my lid on. Make sure it shut all the legs. You don't want it to explode. Adriana. Okay, so Now, I'm gonna just press the button. Mixing. I'm gonna mix it for about 5 seconds or so. So that's it. And then I'm gonna smell it. It smells good. I'm just gonna get a handful of ice. And put it in. That's full to the brim, so no more ice. Okay. If you did like a half shake, you would have more room, but I like to have full shakes. So I like my mom's protein shakes. All the way shut. You don't want it to leak, so press the button. You see how fast it crushed through the ice? That's a good blender. Okay, now I'm gonna test it. Cheers. Thanks for watching. Bye. I hope you guys get a BlendJet. These are really awesome. Go to blendjet.com and order yours soon. Bye.